I just started watching Wednesday on Netflix and it's amazing. I'm loving it so far. No spoilers in the comments, but so far it seems really good. And the new series is coming out soon. So I thought, why don't I challenge myself to make some cupcakes that are Wednesday themed, perfect for Halloween, but also who doesn't love a challenge? I have never ever made anything like this. So I was just looking at reference pictures and just trying to see what worked. I've got two different shades of black. One is more of a black, and one is more of a charcoal black. So, like when you see it in the light, it's got the lines because in her uniform, it's black stripes, but like different shades of black stripes. And she also has a grey jumper underneath. So, I made a much lighter grey jumper and I added the lines. You can't see it here, but I added like little lines, indentations with a knife just so that you can see the ribbing on her jumper, and then I cut it out so it's going to be a perfectly round shape. She has a cutaway collar, so I'm attempting to make that. I think I did a pretty good job of the cutaway collar, to be honest. And she also has a cravat, which caused me more problems than I thought that it would, just because I didn't really leave enough space. I think if I was doing it again, maybe I would have left more space for the shirt and the jumper and had less of the suit. But you live and learn. This is me making the lapels, and this was really simple. I have edible glue on my paintbrush, so I'm sticking them together. And this part is mostly just eyeballing and picking it up, measuring it a little bit, seeing what I think fits, and then using the cutters to get the shape. And I also used a knife to cut out the little, I don't know what they're called, triangle bits that are on the lapel. It just adds a little bit of extra dimension. So I liked that. I glued the lapels down, and then I don't know if you guys know this, maybe you don't, but in order to get rid of all of that icing sugar that is stopping things from sticking, you take a damp paintbrush, that is a paintbrush that you have washed with water, and then you dry it on some paper towel, and then you can use that to brush off any of the excess icing sugar. And I'm really happy with the result. I think it turned out really, really well.